altcoin super cycle is about to start, guys. I'm seeing massive signals across the board. This is the best time to position yourselves if you want to know the exact altcoins and prices where I want to buy them with the highest and best risk to reward ratio. Make sure to stick around and find out. Watch this whole video. Let's get into the charts. All right, welcome everyone. Just a little bit of disclaimer. None of this is financial advice. These are just my top altcoin picks that I'm going to buy, and I do have some a little bit of spot bag already holding these altcoins, and I'm going to show you the best levels to buy them and a little bit of TA behind all these altcoins and meme coins and the signals that I'm seeing for the altcoin super cycle. So first one that I saw yesterday, we all know that Powell is testifying right now, and we do. I think it's gonna testify again tonight and tomorrow. So expect volatility. And he basically said that banks are free to conduct crypto activities. So I think that's one of the reasons why Bitcoin pumped from these lows right here. Um, and from my last video, I told you guys that these were like my short areas, but I also said that I might not be shorting anymore. That the tension in the Middle East, has been escalated. So we have to change our plan and we have to position ourselves for the altcoin super cycle. Next one, guys, is this partnership. Imagine Chainlink, guys. It will enable billions of card holders to purchase crypto directly on chain. That's insane collaboration. This is going to onboard a lot of new people. So it's just a matter of catalyst or news or like something big happening. And then I think that something will kickstart the super altcoin cycle, and it's gonna be like the last cycle. Also, I mean, there's a lot of progress, with the Congress, the crafting clear, innovative digital asset market structure legislation, and all that. Um, I think it is because of Trump's, team. They're like pushing crypto. So this is huge for our industry. Now, um, President Trump's through social files for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF also with NYSE. That's crazy. There's a lot of news, guys, but I'm going to show you which altcoins I'm picking, and let's go into the charts. All right, so Bitcoin right now, I think, guys, my thesis: if Bitcoin could somewhat like break out of this highs right here, if Bitcoin could go above this level, like 130K, I think it's gonna attract a lot of like like new money, and a lot of money will be piling in, going into the crypto market. And then once they rotate, of course, we can have our altcoin super cycle, right? I think that's one gonna be one of the catalysts if Bitcoin ever goes to 130K, 140K, even 150K. So that's my thesis for this cycle. And one of the things I saw as well is look at the indices, guys. NASDAQ right now, risk on assets, all time high. Imagine if these bad boys could also go higher. Same with um, S&P 500, almost at all time high. Imagine if all of these like go higher this remaining months of this year. There's a high chance that we could have an altcoin super cycle before the year ends, boys. So it's best to position ourselves right now. Let's actually check the total market cap. Hold on. Total total two excluding Bitcoin and stable coins. All right, so looking at the total, wait, was this correct? Total market cap excluding BTC and stable coins. All right, so um we wait. I think it's the total three. Total three. I think ETH. Oh yeah, yeah. It's the total two. Was total one would be would be the total market cap with Bitcoin. And this one just excluding BTC. Yeah. So, it's moving right now. Just is because a lot of altcoins are also moving. We had say like insane 56% move up and some other altcoins. So it's moving up right now. And I believe once we break out of these highs, once, Bitcoin goes to 130K, 150K, and then people would rotate to all of the altcoins, then Ethereum, Solana, all the other icons, meme coins could push this higher and we could see the altcoin super cycle finally. Um, let's start with Ethereum. So for Ethereum, we are in a massive range right now, and we took the sell side down here. We didn't take this though, just this one. And looks like we bounce really nicely. We just got out of this. It was stuck on this range for quite some time, and we took out this low. We took out everything, like all the sell sides right here, right, and then push back up. So Um, for Ethereum, I mean the best times to buy were like right here, guys. 114 prices. So if you really want to get into Ethereum, we could pull out the FID, and yeah, I bounced from the point five. That's really nice. So for continuation, there's probably gonna be some trades up here. All right, so I want to see Ethereum do something like this, where it goes higher and then we'll back test and then get out of this range. So that's what I want to see for Ethereum to push higher, and then you could maybe get along. I mean, that's really high already, but like if you're like holding spot Ethereum right now, and then you just have your stop like maybe down here, you could push for that one, or even like 5,000, right? I think if the altcoin season would start, I think Ethereum could go to 5,000. So that's gonna be a 1:10 ratio, guys. That's an insane return. Now for Solana, I did some TA and posted this in the group, and looks like we did bounce from the first level that I gave, like around 140 to 139, and then we just crushed it, sell off again, another sell off, and we finally bounced from the golden pocket, BOC. I think there's a lot of other levels right here. We bounced right through it. Very strong bounce. I think Solana is like 16%. That's really nice. So let's look at the 6 hours. Okay, so if you want to get into a continuation long for Solana, what I would want to see is uh a proper break of this level. So I would want Solana to just keep slowly going up, up, and then a back test of this breaker, and then finally go up. So let's look at the higher time perform levels. Let's look at the daily. So yeah, um, let's look at the daily, and wait. Uh, what's up order block again? Okay. So if we could go above it, and then let's see. I mean, 126 is always a good spot buy for Solana, guys. I've been selling a lot of my spot Solana spot though, but is it possible Solana could go to 400? We'll just have to wait, guys. So if the altcoin super cycle is real, I mean that's like guys, that's like 1 is to 20 type of spot play. That's an insane gains. That would be like 152% from your spot bags. That's a good gain right there. I mean, we're still stuck on this range, so we really need to see if oh, also I think Solana will be strong because imagine Trump's official meme coin is like on the Solana blockchain, right? So I think that's gotta count for something. Now we took out all the sell side right here, which is nice. Bounce and put in a higher low before going higher, right? So that's my thesis for Solana. I do have some spot bags left, and I did buy a little bit here, but I did sell a bunch up here and a bunch up here. So I want to see Solana just break out on this back test and then go higher. All right. So yeah, I want to see this get out with this range. Okay. Now for XRP, oh man, we're still in this range, huh? Because XRP moved like so much already after the SEC dropped the case. So already bounced from the discount too and golden pocket. That's really nice to see. Very strong bounce too. So for this could be still a spot buy for XRP, but I'm not holding any XRP right now. I'm just gonna trade it on leverage. So if I was going to look for long continuation, I would probably wait for like to mitigate this displacement right here. Probably wait for that, like even to 0.5. Let's look at this. Let's look at the 4-hour range. Yeah, I kind of don't like that it's there. And the whole volume on this one below is like right here. But if ever XRP like goes down here, this could be a nice sweet long. Could be a nice long right here. Somewhere around this area. Golden pocket 786 discount, whatever you want to call it. Then go for, yeah, you could swing long it and go for all-time highs. That's crazy. 1 is to 16 ratio, right? That's really nice. Okay, Sui. Next one on our list is Sui. Let's look at the daily level. Oh, the Sui is really strong, huh, guys? Imagine buying it like sub $1. All right, so for Sui, um, still in a clear downtrend on the daily. So I mean, there's strength. Like, look at this bounce. That's an insane bounce right there. Bounce from the 786 F displacement has been filled. So if you same strategy, guys. If you wanna look for a long continuation, we do have a breaker right here. So like that. I want Sui to I want Sui to get above this, close here, and then continuation. Right? Pretty simple, easy. We are at the golden pocket, bounce at the 786, the deep discount level. So gotta be patient. Look at lower time frames because you see there's like a little bit of resistance right here. So before you get into any longs, I would want to wait for a clear break of this structure right here or this breaker, retest, and get in. Okay, next one, hype. For hype is really strong, guys. Imagine Imagine buying it like when, remember April, like the FUD and hype was just crazy, and then it just everything just got bought back up, and it moved like 4x, I think. Kind of sad that I didn't have any airdrop on this because I didn't farm it, and I wasn't really trading that much on hyperliquid, but moved like 400%. That's insane. For continuation longs, I'd probably wait for a back test, like on this previous resistance. Let's turn that into support to go continue for higher continuation, right? You guys think hype could go to $100? Altcoin super cycle, right? Say, oh my god, Say is really strong right now, boys. I mean, look at this. Forming a double bottom on a weekly, proper breakout. Now, I would want to see like a retest, maybe. So if Say could like retest a little bit, like do something like that, boom, then I could probably long that for continuation. Say is really nice. Oh, oops. And it could go back to all-time highs, boys. Say could go back to all-time highs. It's really nice. Really nice that the weekly candles like so big and it broke out, changed in the market structure shift. So probably gonna wait for pullbacks right here. See a proper strength, retest and backtest, wait for it to go up, right? All right, Tia. Oh my god. Tia has achieved failure. Like it this sell-off is insane. It's probably no news, no nothing, and people just taking profits, I think. And people rotating. So I mean at this levels, like I think it's a good spot buy, boys. Because if the if they could go back to all-time high, that's like 12x spot back. So that, I think it's safe to play on spot right now for longs, for leverage. I'm not touching. I mean, we could be longing this. I just want to see it get above here first at these levels. But I mean, if you really want to long, yeah, I think you should just wait for. Oh, it's actually retesting that level right here right now. So this might be actually a long area for Tia. And then get a 10x once altcoin super cycle is in full effect, right? So yeah, I do have some spot on Tia. It's just a little bit, and yeah, I mean, it's insane that I think I bought Tia around $7 like at this dip, and it just kept dipping. I didn't buy more. I was happy, like, oh my god, we're finally back at break even. I just didn't touch it. I just hope like I could go back. I could go higher. For Link, this Link is doing very good right now. So we're in this massive range, and yeah, I mean if they they have a collaboration with Mastercard, so it's probably going higher. There's a high chance it could go back up to its previous high. So just gotta be careful. We have a breaker right here. Yeah, wait for a back test, retest, change market structure. Boom, long, go higher, right? Popcat, sorry about that. For Popcat, guys, I want to share something. I should not be in the trenches right now. Like I should be out. I had, I bought Popcat for like $70 and I was holding around 400K at some point. And at that peak, like It was $800,000, but I was so dumb back then. Like when I bought Popcat, it was around 1 million market cap and then it run. So I sold my dust for $10. If only I knew about community takeovers back then, I would be so rich right now, boys. But yeah, I sold my dust. Never sell dust, boys. I sold my dust. I missed out on the whole move and I was crying on the sidelines because that could have changed my life forever. You know, that was my ticket out of the trenches. And I can't believe I sold it for $10. I bought like $70, $70 at it over it um, from 1M market cap and it just boom, community takeover. Community is really strong. It's still alive. They're still holding, just quick sell off, under rotation, probably going higher again. Hmm. So we do have a breaker right here. It's back testing it right now. So I mean, you could this is good spot buy, good spot buy. I am still holding a little bit. Like I bought some here, but I mean, they're now big. So I'm just probably gonna sell all that right now and just leverage this so I could make much more bigger amount, right? Last one on my list is SPX, guys. Look at that. Bro, Murad is working for his bags like crazy. Like, imagine this is a mean reversion, boys. Like, look at that. Like, 10x reversion from that sell off, like, instantly. Like, look at how many. Oh, it did take like a couple months, I'd say, but I mean, bro, have you seen meme coins do something like this? I mean, like we do have Dogecoin, we do have Pepe, but they're just so high right now. So I'm sticking to the new ones because they might go much more higher than the old ones. Especially that Murad is it's just go. Murad is just going crazy with the TikToks right now. You should see his Twitter, but it's like I don't even know what Murad is smoking, but man, that guy is working for his bag like crazy. So for SPX, I already missed the long, so I'll probably just wait for it to range or form a proper range right here. Or if it does break out, we could trade the breakout for longs. So yeah, um, I think that's my top picks for now. Probably I think Soul's like a really good one. We got Say, we got Tia, Link, Popcat, Sui, XRP, really good trades. Even Ethereum, boys. Let's actually check Doge. Uh, how about Dogecoin? Yeah, Dogecoin. Yeah, I mean this is like the OG, right? Mm, It's like the OG, bro. So if you buy Doge right now, you could still get like it's really small. That's what I'm saying. Like you could get like a 2x if you buy Doge on spot right now. So I'm really not gonna buy Doge right now. Oh, it already moved like 10x from the lows. So the best months to buy Doge was back in October 23 when Bitcoin bottom. Let's check out Pepe. Pepe. Yeah, Pepe is just in this range at the all-time highs right now, so I don't really want to touch it. I mean, it could go higher and higher because it's like a massive meme, but like the risk to reward right now is just not there for me. It's like if you buy spot right now, I mean, bruh, I mean your stop loss would be bruh, you know. So these are like my top picks right now with the best risk to reward. So yeah. Thank you for watching the video. If you do have questions, links to our community will be down below. Go ahead, let me know in the comments what you think. Um, which altcoin should I do TA next. And see you on the next one.